Hey guys, this is TechHub and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can play your YouTube music in the background. So let's get cracking. So first of all, you need to go to your Google Chrome. Just click on that Chrome icon wherever you have it. In my case, it's that button right there. So once you go into your Chrome, you're gonna go to youtube.com. And in this website, you're gonna log into your account, your YouTube account. And after that, you're gonna search your playlist or whatever song you want to listen to. I'm just gonna type some copyright-free sounds right here. For example, this one. Once you find the video you want to play in the background or the music, you're just gonna tap on it. But before that, you're gonna go to the settings icon in the top right corner, and you're gonna scroll down and enable desktop site right here. Just click on this checkbox, and after that you're gonna see a desktop preview of YouTube. So you're gonna play whatever song you wanna play. I'm just gonna play this for instance. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna exit out of the Chrome. Just click on your home button, and once you're out of your Chrome, you're just gonna pull down the notification bar and you're gonna play your YouTube video. Just tap on it right here, and you can do this without even downloading any third-party apps or purchasing YouTube Red. So it's a pretty basic method. You don't need any additional apps for this. You're just gonna play right here. The song is playing while I'm totally out of the website. So this was TechHub guys, and peace.